Hi, I'm Sarah, and this is my Ratchford review. Today, we are going to review and fully unbox this executive slash gamer's chair. You're going to want to see this because it's space saving, it's smaller, it can hold up to 300 pounds. That's awesome. I mean, like my husband is 6'3", and this would work for him too. So, shall we do this together? I think so. Let's give this a shot. Let's go. Let's start with assembly because this is usually a deal breaker for me, but I had zero issues putting this chair together. Literally every single screw fit perfectly and all the holes lined up exactly. Nothing felt forced or misaligned. From start to finish, gosh, it took me about 30 minutes and the instructions were pretty straightforward. Honestly, one of the easiest chairs I've put together. Now onto the chair itself. The leather is high quality, waterproof, and stain resistant, which is perfect for everyday use, especially if this is going to be in your home, in your office, or for a gaming setup. Comfort-wise, this chair is designed with ergonomics in mind. It's supported where it needs to be and it has a 90-degree flip-up armrest. It's space-saving, so you just slide it right under your desk, which is super nice. It doesn't get in the way. With this chair quality and 360-degree swivel, I really like this chair, whether you're looking for an office or at-home chair or, just something for your gaming room or studio. You should really give this one a try. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.